Trailblazer has some tools for making updates to your database in mass. Let's go see what that looks like. I'm going to go over to my people and orgs, and again, different databases might name this differently. It might be voters, donors, contacts. In my case, people and orgs. Let's say that I would like to do a mass update of all the males and females in my database that don't have a title. I'd like to set it to Mr. and Ms. So first I want to look for those that don't have a title. I'm going to look for those demographics that are, in this case, male, and do a search. And I'll just do the first 100. That's just plenty. And again, you'll see the title is empty. Up in the Edit menu, this assumes, by the way, that you have security access for this menu. When I select this and set, and come down to Set Fields, there's any number of fields that I can set. In this case, I'm going to go to Mr. But I could change phone numbers, I could change notes, I can change all of the user fields. Again, these are all available to you for mass update. That also includes clearing a field. So sometimes a field's got data in it that you'd like to get rid of. You can do that as well by just selecting the clear option. I'm going to go up to my Mr., click OK, do a search. And as you can see, those have now been updated to Mr. We have those same tools available on the addresses as well. I'm going to click over on addresses. On occasion, you'll find that in your database you've got a misspelled city name. In my case, Minneapolis gets kind of difficult to spell. So I'm going to go look for the misspelling of Minneapolis, and there might be more than one, and I could search for more than one if I wanted to by separating those with commas. In my case, I've got, that is actually the correct spelling. Let's go to the incorrect one right there and do a search. Now I could open these up by one and fix them, but my list might have 20, 30 or more of these. Instead, I'm going to go back up to the Edit menu, and same set fields once again. And in this case, I'm going to change the city to Minneapolis. Click OK. Now, what happened in this case was, after it completed the changing of the city spelling, it also found that the record also matched an existing address record in the database and then merged it.